Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this Halloween skeleton look. So if you guys wanted to see how I got this makeup routine done, make sure to keep watching. Okay, to get started, I'm just going to be going in with my Urban Decay B6 Vitamin-Infused Complexion Priming Spray. Next, I'll be going in with the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. I'm going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I am in the shade Punjab. I'm going to be using a beauty sponge to apply it. I'm just going to be getting it wet with my Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. Next, I'm just going to be going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm in the shade Custard. By the way, I went in with the NARS Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer in shade Amande. I'm going to set my face with the DERMABLEND Professional Loose Setting Powder. And I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge again and just dab that in. And I'm not going to be baking, but I am just going to press it firmly into my face. Clean up my nose contour, I'm just going to add that line and let it bake on my nose. Today I'm going to be using a new bronzer I got through NARS. It is Casino. It is such a pretty shade. I love it. To blend that out, I'm just going in with my IT Cosmetics brush number 227. It's my angled brush that I usually would use for my baking and setting my face, but I just feel like this brush works really well with this powder. I'm going to contour my nose again. I'm just going in with the contour brush I usually use. For my blush, I'm going with the NARS Deep Throat. That is the shade. Love it. You'll see in my next video how much I love this shade. I kind of introduce it more in my next video just because I kind of want the focus to more so be on the Halloween look today. To blend that out, I did go in with the Sephora Brush number 91. We're going to be doing highlighter. I'm going with the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralize Skin Finish. To blend that out, I went in with It Cosmetics brush number 223. Time for eyes. Today I'm going to be using the Naked Urban Decay Smoky Eye palette. I feel like these shades are going to be perfect for the look I'm trying to go for today. Going in with the shade 13. It's kind of like a white but a nude for this palette. Next, I'll be going in with the shade Password. I'm going to go in with the shade Black Market. Just a good black shade. For this part, I am going to go in with the brush that the palette gives you. It's just the small end. And I'm just going to apply that right on the outside of my lid. And then I'm just going to blend it out with the other end. I'm going to go in with an Urban Decay shadow brush I have in another palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Armor. It's just a good silver sparkly shade. And I'm just going right over the inner part of my lid and kind of bringing it up towards my eyebrow. Just to darken up the whole inner look. So that is what I'm going to finish with on that eye, and I'm just going to jump over and do this side and I'll be right back. Okay you guys, I got both eyes done. Next I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm going in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil. I'm just going to brush my brows upward. Next I'm going in with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and I'm just going to be brushing my brows upward. I'm just going to quickly do my lashes off camera. Okay guys, so I got my eyelashes on. This is the final look. I love these lashes. Like, I really should start wearing these every day. So I'm just going to go in with my Wet n Wild MegaLiner. I like using this for Halloween looks because it's just easier than using a regular eyeliner that I have. So I'm going to come up closer. So to start, I'm going to be doing the outline. So I'll be doing the nose, and I'm going to be bringing it out into the jawline and the cheekbone. So this is the outline for the nose. You can just kind of make it look like a skeleton nose, and I'm just going to fill it in quick. Okay guys, so that is the nose. Okay, so that's the one side. I'm going to quickly do the other side. Okay. I'm going to go back in with my Naked Urban Decay Smoky Eye Palette, and I'm just going to go in with the shade Black, mark it again. I'm just using an old eyelash palette makeup brush since I don't care about it. And I'm just going to start bringing the black next to the eyeliner. And I'm doing just the bold line right up close. And I'm just going to slowly smoke it out downward. I'm even going to transition and go to like the other side of the brush. That way I'm not adding more products. I'm just working with what I have. Okay, I'm going to do the same to the other eye. I'm going to do the same to the other cheek. Makeup from a store, but I am going to be using no Smudge Cream makeup. It's just a white. I'm going to be using it for the teeth. As much as I don't like using it, right now I don't have any like nice MAC makeup to use, which is what I usually use. So I'm just going to improvise and use this. I have used this in the past. In fact, I used this for my Halloween look my senior year, and it worked good. Like, it didn't smudge. I just made sure to put translucent powder over it. Plus, this like is so white it pops. Basically, what I'm going to do is make the teeth. So I did 3 on that side. Now I am going on my lip because you're trying to make this look as real as possible. Okay guys, so I have the teeth done. To do the black in between the teeth, I am just going back in with my Wet n Wild MegaLiner. Just like that. As I said, I'm going in with the black eyeliner, and I'm just creating the lines in between each tooth. And so it'll look like that, and so you just do it to every tooth. So I'm just going to quickly do that in fast motion. Okay guys, so I'm done with the black eyeliner in between the teeth. I am going to go in with some black and just do some shading. I think I'm going to add some more black underneath my eye just to make it a bit more spooky. I don't want a ton, but I want enough to make it look like I have like skeleton eyes, if you want to say. So I'm just going to blend that out. So I think this is going to be the final look. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this makeup Halloween look, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and make sure you subscribe and share. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.